Hello everyone, in this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to turn off Spotify Shuffle Play. So let's dive right in. Let's grab your phone and open the Spotify app. Now find the album, playlist, or podcast you want to listen to in order. Tap on it to open the Now Playing view. You'll see the album art, song title, artist information, and playback controls at the bottom of the screen. Look for the Shuffle button. It looks like two intertwined arrows. It's usually located near the playback controls, close to the previous and next track buttons. If Shuffle is currently on, the button will be green or highlighted. Simply tap the Shuffle button once. If you've Spotify Premium, you can enable this feature. It should turn gray or white, indicating Shuffle mode is disabled. Now, when you hit play, your songs or podcast episodes will start from the beginning and play all the way through in order, just how you like it. There you have it. With a quick tap or click, you've conquered Shuffle Play and can now enjoy your Spotify listening exactly how you want to. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching.